Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a timeline action to add contact to list using Klaviyo. So to start, let's log into your AEvent account. Once you're already logged in, just go to timeline. Let's open the timeline you want to create the timeline action for. From here, just click on create action, and then we'll have to set when we want this action to be triggered. So for this one, I'll be setting it to before, so 5 minutes before the webinar starts. I want the registrants added to this list. So let's select registrants. From here, let's look for Klaviyo, and then let's select add contact to list. And of course, we have to select the list we want registrants added to 5 minutes after the webinar, 5 minutes before the webinar starts. So let's add them to on-reg list. And once you're satisfied with everything, just click on create. And we have successfully created that timeline action. That would be all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment below, and subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified of our future uploads. Thank you for watching.